check this out. I was just moseying around and I saw this. If you miss Shiba, that sucked. If you miss Doge, that sucked. If you miss ShibaDoge, then you suck. This came from the ShibaDoge Twitter page. I had to sit there and say, is that Kanye West holding that? Very creative. But I've got some information to share with you today. And I want you to pay attention, of course, trending on crypto.com and more. And let's talk about ShibaDoge right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's try to understand this chart. There are buys happening today, so I feel a reversal in a 24-hour period. I'm seeing 30.70%, and this is ShibaDoge, and ShibaDoge still has over 60 million in market cap. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And also, it's trending number 4 on DEX tools. Yes, you're gonna have pumps, people taking profits, people moving on. But you gotta understand, ShibaDoge is a strong overall project. Do not get discouraged when you see sell-off, and don't get discouraged when you see things not moving as fast as you want, because ShibaDoge continues to move forward. Now, how would they? Are you bullish on ShibaDoge coin market cap? I think that's pretty cool. Look at number 3 there. So let's talk about some other things. The main focus, ShibaDoge Elon charity space event. Remember, we were talking about that before. Now, there will be some massive updates for the charity event. We will be working on ShibaDoge with 4 of the biggest communities with the space of Elon Space charity event. So we were talking about this before. I know there's trending. I know. But we were talking about before about this Elon event here. Now, check this out. These communities have all pledged to donate a large amount of charity of the choice. There is over 5 million communities between all the partners involved, guys, everyone. So, ShibaDoge is going to host a Twitter space with all these partners, which I think is a really good idea. Are you feeling bullish right now? So, they will be joining the Twitter spaces, will be hosting. ShibaDoge, now ShibaDoge is doing this. It's going to have a public charity wallet that can take donations from all partners and their communities. All communities will be welcome to this space, and it should be very, very big. Speaking of wallets, let's take a look at the wallets on Etherscan here. So these are the wallets. Remember, it's 14,000 holders, and these are the current wallets right now. So they're going to actually have a wallet that's for charity. So now let me ask you something. Elon interacting. I'm thinking about this because how would you feel to hearing about this? Elon friends that's work with SpaceX. They're both a public figures, social media influencers. How would you guys like this? How would you like to be part of the first ever charity event that occurs that will involve the biggest tokens in space? In space, this space, not necessarily this space, but in space. And so since day one, ShibaDoge have always said they're here to bring DeFi space together. And so what I'm trying to explain to you is that charity event's gonna be big. ShibaDoge continues to move up, they continue to be bullish. The charity event is going to bring people together. And being a part of something, basically history, is the biggest charity event in this space that you ever seen. So you definitely want to get involved. So what I want you to do, if you're not already, join the Telegram group and pay attention to Twitter for any updates involved in the charity event. And check out DEX tools, because right now, ShibaDoge is hot number 3. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm excited. Charity event, massive updates this year. We're going to start March with a bang. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And by the way, let me show you one more last thing. If you're on the fence and you need to do your research and you're saying, you know what, I want to buy ShibaDoge, go to the website. I have it on the website. Go to Uniswap. What you want to do is exchange your Ethereum for ShibaDoge, right? Just like this. Connect your wallet at the top right, just says right there, and you can swap your Ethereum for ShibaDoge. You can get a lot of ShibaDoge for 1.4 Ethereum right now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.